I wonder how long before this pellets. Quality looks consistent. I wonder how long before this reaches the ceiling. It's enough to last a lifetime.
Remember, all metal shanks and excessive glue go directly into the red bins. Keep the line moving smoothly. Pressure check on line 3. All green, the dirt is clearing nicely.
As the paddles agitate the mixture, the lighter fabrics float, allowing us to skim them, while the heavier rubber granules sink to the bottom.
The separation efficiency is holding steady at 98%. Ensure the collection drums are swapped out soon.
Watch the feed rate, we're getting a spike.
I see it, adjusting the flow now.
Our advanced separation process ensures pure, clean rubber granules, consistent in both size and texture.
The amber liquid looks consistent. Reaction status is stable. Confirmed. The depolymerization is proceeding as expected.
Drawing the sample slowly to avoid air bubbles. We need 5 milliliters for the assay. Sample collected from the gray pellets. Quality looks consistent. Settings confirmed. Cycle commencing.
Look at the consistency here. Yes, the viscosity is perfect now. We are ready for injection.
Clamping sequence initiated. Holding at 2,000 tons. Temperature is stabilizing right on target. Cooling cycle is almost complete.
Assembly station, precision meets efficiency. We utilize recycled materials to create sustainable, high-quality furniture.
Check this joint right here. Looks good. The tolerances are perfect.
Align the screwdriver bit carefully with the metal insert. Apply steady pressure until the clutch engages, ensuring the torque is controlled to avoid over-tightening.
Current load is holding steady at 1,500 kilograms. No structural failure observed.
This one is unstable. The rest are clear for packaging.
2 more pallets for the afternoon truck. Okay, I'll bring them over right now.
Roger that. Moving pallet 42B to aisle 5.
Verified. Sequence number matches the manifest.
Watch your back, coming through. Clear on the left. Set it down right there.
Impeccable surface quality. The recycled material is smooth, uniform, and reflects light evenly, demonstrating a premium finish.